Hello friends, welcome back to our Facebook channel. Today we are gonna draw some birds, cartoon characters and some animals as well. To start with, we are gonna start drawing a cat, that is a girl cat. We are gonna start drawing its face and a tiny ears which has a bow on the head, and we are gonna continue drawing with the help of a black marker and continue drawing its legs, a bushy tail, the eyes which has lashes on it, a small nose and a happy face as well. The next thing we are gonna continue drawing is a bee. We're gonna first start drawing the bee's face, which has a sparkling eyes, a small smiling face, and its body is basically round in shape. Rounds are 5 rounds we are gonna draw, and it has tiny legs. The next thing we are gonna draw is a cockroach. First we are gonna draw a triangle and cover the sides with the help of leaf-like objects on the sides, and cover it with oval-like object on the top, and we are gonna start drawing its eyes and the line-like structures it has as its body, and we are gonna cover it with diagonal lines with the help of a black marker, and cover the rest of the body with the help of it, and we are gonna lastly conclude with drawing its eyes. The next thing we are gonna draw is one of the famous cartoon characters from SpongeBob SquarePants, that is Patrick, by drawing its eyes, which has very small eyeballs and a big eyes, a small mouth and a tiny hands. Basically here the Patrick is showing off its fat little stomach by opening its shirt, a small shorts and tiny legs, and Patrick is covered with reddish pink. The next thing we're gonna draw is a bird. To draw a bird, we're gonna start drawing it with the help of circling the head, eyes, beaks and with feathers as well. The next thing we are gonna draw is lovebirds with the help of the symbol heart. These lovebirds are pointing towards each other, which has round shaped head, sparkling eyes and a small beaks, and it has line-like structure all over their body. They are basically sitting on a branch of a tree. The next thing we are gonna draw is a girl who has a pretty frock. We're gonna start drawing the girl with the help of the marker. We're gonna start drawing her face, sparkly little eyes, smiley face, bow on the top, and continue drawing her frock. Basically she is leaning over her hands and a big pretty frock with long hairs. The next thing we are gonna start drawing is a hen. Here we are gonna use number 2 to draw the hen body, and it has a beak which is a pretty big beak, a small legs and a round eyes which are sparkling. The next thing we are gonna draw is a bird which is eating a food. It has beak which is feeding on it, and with the help of number 2 we are gonna cover the rest of the body. It has tiny little legs as well. Thank you for watching the video.